माई सेल्फ शुभम सांगी फ्रॉम हैदराबाद। हम लोग का होटल सप्लाई का काम है। वी सप्लाई फूड प्रोडक्ट्स एंड रॉ मटेरियल्स टू होटल्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड केटरर्स। Our major drawback, setback in our business is totally unorganized. हमारा सेक्टर ही अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है एक हद तक, जो सप्लायर्स का है. सो हियर डेटा कलेक्शन लाइज अ मेजर थिंग इन प्रोक्योरिंग योर इन्वेंट्री एंड मेंटेनिंग इट. तो MBA प्रोग्राम से मेरे को हम लोग को पूरा इन्वेंट्री का डेटा, इनवॉइसिंग एंड creating Excel sheets and all, it was at our fingertips, and it helped a lot in growing our business. Now we have delegated. First we have set the rules through automation, and we have delegated what we to our people, and that has helped us a lot. Our major headache of maintaining inventories has been delegated, and it's just very easy to come across anything, whether it be our business or any other business. This is the best thing that anybody, any business person could get, and hats off to sir. And secondly, I'm very much thankful for having a great team, a great support from the company and sir as well. Thank you so much, and I would recommend everybody to take up the MBA program, because it not only helps us to focus on the higher growth, but also it manages our business